What's up, YouTube? Today I'm going to teach you how to play Good Feelings by Coldplay, and here's a little preview of what it's going to sound like. All the good feelings for one another as we dance to the radio. All the good feelings we have for each other. Don't ever let them go. So as you can see, I have a capo here on the 5th fret. Everything that I teach is relative to the capo. You only need to know 3 chords for the entire song. Those 3 chords are A minor 7, A sharp major 7, and E minor 7. All right, and here's a breakdown of how to play the chords. First chord is an A minor 7, so we're gonna put our finger on the 1st fret of the B string and the 2nd fret of the D string, and we're gonna mute the low E string. It's gonna sound like this. Second chord is an A sharp major 7, so we're gonna bar the 1st fret and we're gonna put our fingers on the 2nd fret of the G string and the 3rd fret of the D and the B string, and we're gonna mute the low E string. It's gonna sound like this. Last chord is an E minor 7, so we're just putting our fingers on the 2nd fret of the A string, and it's going to sound like this. Okay, now the progression goes A minor 7, A sharp major 7, back to an A minor 7, and then we end with the E minor 7. Okay, and if we think about it in 4 counts, it's gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so for the strumming pattern, really you can strum it however you want to, but for me, what I'm doing here is I am strumming down, up, slap, down, up, down, slap. Again, down, up, slap, down, up, down, slap. So when we put it with all the chords, it'll go down, up, slap, down, slap, down, up, slap, down, slap, down, up, slap, down, slap, down, up, slap, down, slap. Okay? Again, you can play it however you want to, but that's what I'm doing. So there you have it. Alright, y'all, I appreciate you tapping into this tutorial. I really hope that it helped you out. And if you liked this video, you might want to tap into my tutorial on Jupiter by Coldplay, and you can see the video pop up right now. Also, if you haven't done so, please go ahead and consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. And if you really did enjoy this video, please go ahead and comment down below, like this video, and share it with someone that wants to learn. And I'll see you guys on the next one.